So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that the pages of a book are numbered through 1 through n. When the page number of the book were added, one of page number was mistakenly added twice, resulting in the incorrect sum of this. So what was the number of the page that was added twice? This is the question. So let's say we have a book and we know that in the book there are page number like 1, 2, 3, etc. And let's say we are on the page X and then we added 1 through X. What is this sum coming? But mistakenly we added some number twice. So the resulting sum we get is 1998, and we know this is incorrect sum, and we want to find out what is that page number that we added twice. So this is the problem. So let's say there are, you read up to X page number and then you added, so the actual sum must be, x times x plus 1 by 2, the natural number sum like 1 2 3 up to x sum is this. So the actual sum is this, but due to the addition of some page twice you get 1998. So this sum must be less than 1998, because in the 1998 you are adding, you got after adding some page number to this. So this 1998 should be more than this. It is obvious. So x times x plus 1 is less than 3996 we get. Now we know x square is less than x times x plus 1, and we know this x times x plus 1 is less than x plus 1 whole square. So if you calculate like 63 square and 64 square, then you get like this 3996 is coming between them. You verify this yourself. So this number come between 63 square and 64 square. And if you also calculate 63 times 64, then this number is greater than 3996. You calculate and then see this true or not. So we have two conditions now. The 3996 number is lying between 63 square and 64 square, and it is also less than 63 multiplied by 64. And we have one more condition here, like the x times x plus 1 is less than 3996. So what is the maximum value of x you can tell from here? Like the maximum value of x that can satisfy this is, we can see that 63 cannot be the value of x because of this condition. So the only possibility is x is equal to 62. So the person is read up to 62 page and then he added those page. Then he added those page. So the actual sum, if he added correctly, the actual sum is this. So the actual sum should be 1953. But what he get is 1998. So by comparing this number and this number, we can easily see that what is that page number that he added twice. So the page number he added twice is the 45. So we can easily find out this is the answer. So in this way we can solve this.